Good morning students. Today we are going to start our first lesson, alphabetical order. In previous video I have told you how to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Means first of all you have to see the alphabet letters in alphabet A, B, C, D and then arrange the words according to the alphabet. Now in this lesson, themes are given in the box: sports, winter, birds, stationery, food, transport, furniture, professions and flowers. Total 9 themes are given. First example, that is sports. Theme is sports. So you have to think 5 words related to the theme and write down in the space given there. And one example, this has been solved. And in sports we know that badminton, chess, cricket, football, hockey games are there. Now second theme is winter. In winter we can write name of clothes we wear in winter, name of months that in which winter falls. Both you can write कि आप कोई भी थिंग जो विंटर में आती है उसको भी यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. I have written here clothes we wear in winter: coat, gloves, hat, jacket, scarves. So बच्चे you have to write these things according to alphabetical order. See here badminton. बैडमिंटन बी लेटर पहले आता है, सो हमने पहले गेम का नेम लिखा है बैडमिंटन. फिर सी लेटर इसके बाद आता है, फिर हमने लिखा है चेस. आफ्टर दैट सी इज अगेन देयर. नाउ वी हैव टू चेक द सेकेंड लेटर. एच इज देयर, आर इज देयर, सो एच कम्स फर्स्ट बिफोर आर. ओके, सो हियर वी chess in second number and cricket in third number. After that F letter word football. After H letter word hockey. In the same way C letter word coat. After C letter G. C, D, E, F, G. Now we have written here gloves. After gloves G, H. H letter is there. Hat. I, J. J for jacket. Jacket is here. And after J we have to read alpha letters, and then S letter is there. Scarves. Come to the third theme, birds. You can you know also name of the birds. Okay, so you can write the name of the birds here: crow, cuckoo, duck, eagle, parrot. And see here C letter, C letter, same letters are there, but we have to see here R letter is there, second letter, and here second letter U is there. So R letter comes before U. ये U लेटर से पहले आ जाता है. So we will write here crow in first. फिर in second cuckoo. After C D letter is there. We have written here duck. After D E letter is there. We have written here eagle. And after in last we have written here parrot. Fourth theme is stationery. In stationery, books, eraser, notebook, pen and scale. You know stationery. You daily use stationery, and we have to write here the names of the thing that are related to the theme stationery. Any name. So here we have written B letter word, books. After B, C, D, E. E letter, eraser. And after that, notebook, N letter word. Then N, P, P letter word is there, pen. Q, R, S letter word is scale. In fifth theme, that is food. So we eat bread and butter, curd, ghee, rice in food item. So firstly we have to think these words and then arrange them in alphabetical order. So here bread and butter both are started with B letter, but here we have to check second letter, R and U. So R comes first before U. Here we have bread in the first number and butter in second number. After that, C letter word curd, G letter word ghee, and R letter word rice. Number 6 theme is transport. Here the words that related to this theme: aeroplane, aeroplane, that is started with A letter, that comes in the first. Bus, B letter word. Car, C letter word. And after that we have written here jeep and truck. Number 7, furniture. In furniture we have written these things: almirah, bed, chair, sofa and stool. So A letter comes first. First word is almirah. After that bed, B letter word. After that C letter word, chair. And after that S letter word, sofa and stool. In number 8 theme is professions. In professions we have written doctor, engineer, nurse, police and teacher. So D letter comes first, doctor. After that E letter, engineer. And after that N letter word, nurse, police and teacher. Last theme is flowers. You know the names of the flowers? Here we have written names of flowers. First is J letter, jasmine. Then lily, lotus, rose, tulip. Okay.